Hamish Tonkin, GWD Motor Group, been here about 11 years. Typical day for the boys in the workshop. They get in nice and early, about 7:30, right when that frost is nice and good, and they get into the work. Services, wafts, repairs, working on all makes and models from Toyota, Hyundai, MG, Holden. It's known to get a little bit chilly down here. We've been using the Remington infrared heaters for around 2 years now, running them day to day, and we've seen great gains from efficiency. As you can see, we've got quite a big workshop, huge ceilings, roller doors at either end that are open. We've only got one door that sort of opens and closes during the day. So, the temperatures can get a little bit chilly. So we just have the big, the old jet heaters. They make hell of a racket, great heat, but you can't even talk next to them and they burn through diesel like nothing else. The boys need to work their fingers to be able to spin spanners, and when it's that cold, they can't. So we need a heating solution that works. They granted us more efficiency, which is the biggest thing. They're more efficient to run. They put out great heat, easy to use, and it's a no-brainer. Some of them aren't quite as southern tough as the rest of them, so they'll crank them on every day. At least one's on every day. Even I can use them, so turn it on, nice and easy. I used to, if I walked out here, I'd be in and out super quick. Now with these new heaters, it's actually a nice environment to be in. Now the boys, they're happier in their bays, they can do more work, we're getting better efficiency. It's been great. If you're looking for a heater that's quiet, efficient, and heats great space quickly, these are the ones to go for.